Don't you just enjoy it when you step outside of your comfort zone and meet new people that provide new and fresh energy? Having new vibes and an ambience that fit your general atmosphere in your own life is undoubtedly quite rejuvenating. You truly just outgrow something at some time, right? Now, that is about to happen right now because this innovative method of making money will entail interacting with others and inviting them to play an important part in your quest for financial success. What's more, this isn't just for you, because your new friends will also benefit greatly, making the whole thing a win-win scenario. It's like killing two birds with one stone, since everybody will be happy. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let me just clear a few things with you first. Before anything else, without breaking a sweat or spending a dime, this procedure will be completed. Everything is easy and convenient, as well as free. No matter where you are in the world, using this strategy to make a lot of money online is as easy as taking a short stroll in the park. If you're a complete beginner, you don't need to worry about anything as long as you have a functional gadget that is linked to the internet, because everything will work for you. Now, there are just two things I require of you if you really want to generate large sums of money quickly. One, when you actually follow the things I'm showing you, make sure you stick with me through the very end of this video and do everything I suggest. Two, and this is really crucial, never ever skip ahead in this video. If you do, you'll miss out on this opportunity, since you might omit certain crucial stages that are very necessary for success. In today's video, affiliate marketing will be the main strategy. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll be aware that a lot of the videos focus on this particular topic. You'll be relieved to learn that this approach is entirely new though. This has never been witnessed before, and to be completely honest, not many people are even aware of it. Since you're going to learn all about this astoundingly effective approach that can help you increase your chances of success, and as a result, make huge sums of money quickly and easily. You probably woke up on the right side of the bed this morning. Let me now show you the primary website for today's film, since I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. The website is AFF+.com. Just to give you a little history, AFF Plus is a search engine for affiliates that facilitates the discovery of CPA and affiliate offers. On their website, you can quickly search and compare affiliate offers from all of the main CPA affiliate networks thanks to a better search filtering and matching engine. When you land on their official homepage, you'll discover a vast selection of goods and deals that you can actually recommend to everyone you know. By thinking outside the box and never being afraid to approach others in your social circle, you can effectively promote these deals. This includes your acquaintances, coworkers, and, if you're still in school, your fellow students. Your revenue potential will become essentially endless when you go out and inform all of these peoples about your product. This will boost your possibilities of earning more and more money. So if you want to broaden your coverage and connect with more individuals, there is a way I want to show you later. This will undoubtedly increase your income significantly, enabling you to succeed even more with this strategy. However, I'll reveal all of the details of the techniques to you in the end, so be sure to stick with me so that you can fully understand what you need to do to complete everything perfectly. I want you to look at the products on their main page right now. By default, you can see the top offers right away along with the offer's name and your potential earnings. The value comes from a diverse range of financial accounts. The amount of compensation can range from less than $50 to several $100s, and you may even come across offers that promise you significant payouts that exceeds the $1,000 threshold. You may scroll down and find a ton of things right here, but I'm going to save you a ton of time and walk you through exactly what you need to do to stop wasting time trying to find products that customers will be interested in. If you type the terms weight loss into the search box right here, you will be taking this page where all the results are displayed in relations to your keywords. You are going to concentrate on promoting goods and are related to weight loss, which is why you're hearing about this page. Many people in this generation are very interested in maintaining their physical fitness. Because of the high demand for items connected to dieting and weight reduction, they will make the most of it by enticing others to try the one we're pushing. I want you to choose one particular offer that you prefer from among all of these things right here. Just be sure to consider how much money you're anticipated to make so that high income yield is guaranteed. You are given the freedom to peruse the entire page as you are given access to this enormous assortment of goods that you can market. You can see that they have over 2,000 results connected to the keywords for weight loss alone, which implies that you have a huge selection of options to choose from because their items are already classified based on relevance. Since these are the products that most directly relate to the weight reduction area, I urge you to move forward with them first. Let's choose this one for this video. This one is associated with the pure keto weight reduction formula, and it provides a large income return as a staggering $121. I want you to click on the item you've selected, and you'll be taken to this page where you may read additional details about the item as a whole. I want you to click the Join This Network button once you're on the website. You will then be directed to the owner's external page. Here, you will fill out their application form so that you may get started with the platform right away. Then, everything will fall into place because you'll have access to your personal affiliate link. Once you have your link, you're ready to start promoting the products and see how I did it and made $400 each day. In a moment, I'll tell you everything about that. First, I want you to go to twitter.com, which will serve as your primary venue for product promotion. Given how enjoyable and dynamic the interactions are, it is indisputable that Twitter is one of the leaders in the field of social media. Twitter has millions of active users every day, making it the ideal platform for searching a sizable audience. What approach are you going to take then? I want you to utilize the search bar on Twitter and enter some keywords associated with weight loss. You might search for ways to lose weight quickly. Once you press enter, you will be taken to this page where all of the tweets that contain all of the keywords arrive, since weight loss is constantly a trending subject and one of the most often discussed topics on the platform. There are several tweets that are solely about losing weight. I want you to do this right now. I want you to click on a tweet, then just send the author a simple reply. Be sure to build a strong relationship with them before attempting to persuade them to test out the new product you've just learned about. You can achieve this by being imaginative and approachable so that people will put their trust in you and click your link. Simply include your specific affiliate link as an attachment at the end of your response so that the recipient may access it right away. Once they make a purchase, everything will be okay going forward. This will then take them to the product link of AFF+. Not only will they learn fascinating facts about weight loss, but you'll also get money quickly. A second will pass, and that's it. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.